Well, before we begin to create the cylinder, on the next 3D videos, I'll teach you some tools for generate these pieces. The radial symmetry. Generally, we try to create or we use the normal symmetry by using the X key. When we draw it aside, it will create some kind of mirror at the other side. So, if we want to use another kind of symmetry that we could use for copy something that we do on a side, and then it will duplicate that over a radius. How do we do that? For activate that symmetry, we will go to the transform panel. When we activate our symmetry by using X, we will press radial symmetry. So when we customize our interface, we will indicate this button here. We will activate. It acts some kind of weird, but we will fix it. In this case, we could visualize the cylinder from the front. So in this case, if we activate the X-axis, what happens if we activate the Z-axis? I've got 8 dots, and when I draw on a side, it will copy at the others. This is for radial objects with a similar pattern. This tool is very important and helpful. So, the quantity of polygons that we have are 8. And we could change it from this panel, radial count. This radial count will help us to control the quantity of dots that we want. For example, 23, it could be. And we could have very interesting shapes. Shapes that, if we use the normal symmetry, that could be very difficult to create. As you can see, this is a very useful tool, very powerful for our sculptures. In case that we don't need the radial symmetry, we just turn off symmetry option, and we will have back the basic symmetry. It looks pretty weird because we change the axis of the symmetry. So we will change it again on the X-axis and enable the Z-axis. And here we've got the normal symmetry, then the radial again, and we've got it back. I hope that you learn a lot on this video, and without more, see you in the next video.